Welcome to a video by Brown Export. This is tissue flotation bath or floating bath. It has an on off switch and the main green indicates that the main power is coming. 220 volt is the input it needs, and this load indicates that the heater is working inside. Now the temperature here we have set already 51 degrees centigrade, and this is about 34 inside temperature. If you want to change it, just press this and change. You can increase this to generally the wax mostly is working for either 58 degrees or 60 degrees. I can make it 55 degrees. Let me make it 55 degrees, or you can increase it to say 60 degree. This is will automatically maintain the temperature and then set it back. Now the temperature will be maintained at 60 degree and inside is a black color, so that the wax which is on the slide, if you cut the sample, you can float it in that and the wax will be dissolved, and you can take the sample and make a slide of the sample of the tissues which you are cutting. Very easy to use, and this once the temperature is set at this will remain, and it will always tell you the inside temperature. This is PID control, temperature control, and our website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com, and otherwise info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9922222049, and other is 941602001. Please visit the website, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the videos, subscribe to the channel. We have got all the different kind of water bath, digital, temperature, stainless steel also. Inside stainless steel is also available. The 6 hole, 12 hole other are and precision, and this one is a 0.1 degree accuracy. Thank you very much.